it is Beck here from Vibe Caravans. Welcome to the how-to section of the website. Today we're going to run through how to use your Aussie Traveller front door. These instructions will work regardless of whether your door handle is on the right or the left-hand side of the door. To open the door, simply turn the handle away from the hinges. And then to close the door, give it a push. Now this is closed, however, please note it is not locked yet. To lock the door, we need to engage the locking mechanism on the door into the hub on the door frame. So to do this, you are going to turn your handle towards the hinges. You'll see that this compresses the door in and makes it nice and tight. From there, you are going to turn your key away from the hinges. That is now locked. To unlock the door, you are going to turn your key towards the hinges and then turn your handle away from the hinges. And there you have it. To separate the fly screen from the main door, you're going to locate a lever just underneath the door handle here. You're going to give that a turn and you'll see that separates really nice and easy. From there, you can close the screen. You can latch the main door and that gives you lots of airflow going through the caravan. Now we do have a Midge-proof screen on the front, so that's going to keep all those nasty bugs out, and then it is backed with the steel mesh on the inside, so you do still have that security feature. Now to connect a screen door with the main door again, you're simply going to give it a nice hard press together and then that becomes one working door. To lock the door whilst inside the van, you're going to turn your handle away from the hinges. That's going to bring those locking mechanisms into the hub on the door frames. From there, you're going to locate the locking lever, which is just above the handle here, and I want you to turn that away from the hinges. That has now locked the caravan door from the inside, and you are not getting out. Now to unlock this, you are going to locate that locking lever, which is above the handle again. You're going to turn that towards the hinges, and then you can open your door like normal. So you will see the locking mechanism on the door here. When we turn the handle away from the hinges, you'll see that that is when it's engaged. And if we have a look on the door frame, this is the hub that it sits in. Now if you try and close the door with the locking mechanism engaged, it's not going to close. Simply going to bounce away. So open the door, turn the handle so it unlocks, and then the door will close really quite nicely again.